On my previous video, I promised I was going to be showing you guys a breakdown of a small account I deposited and I compounded that account to almost about 600% gain in less than 2 hours. 600% gain. And if you can see on my screen, that was, let's just go here on today. You can see that was, let's just go again. You can see that's today. And deposit, that's $800. I'm just going to put it on the screen so that you guys can see. That's $800. And profit, that's almost about $4,500. And presently we are standing on $5,088, almost $5,100 from an 800 deposit. And for all the Thomases that say, no, you post demos even on your 200K account, bro, I stopped doing demos 9 years ago. I don't post demos anymore. I don't trade on demos. So if I'm showing you guys something, it's on my live account. That's what you can see here. That's the same live account. I'm going to refresh up and down. That's the same live account you guys can see. Don't worry, you guys can't do anything with the account number. You guys can withdraw this money by just using the account number. So don't worry. People say, no, don't show us your account number, blah, blah, blah. No. So don't worry. You can see, as I'm saying, the signals coming in are actually from the robot Perps Pro. You can see Perps Pro is smashing take profit. But yes, this video is not about Perps Pro. This video is about this small account, which I took from $800 to almost about $5,200 in less than 2 hours. Good. So are you guys satisfied by seeing that I don't show you guys examples on a demo account? That's the same account, all right? That's the same account right there. If I go on history, you can see that's the entire history. That's the same account, all right? Those are the same trades. That's my same market wash. Good. So let's do a breakdown on this particular trade so that I'll be able to show you guys step by step on how I took this trade and how you can be able to duplicate the same thing. And I did everything on my phone because remember, I just did a video where I was actually telling you guys why I had to cut my hair. Because remember, I used to always have that hair where they plait it behind, then they tie it here and stuff like that. But I had to cut everything because I set a goal in July that if I don't set that, if I don't hit that particular target in Forex, it was a Forex trading goal, right? And I said to myself that if I don't hit that particular target, I was going to shave my hair. So while I was shaving that hair, I was scalping on this particular account using my phone, and I made almost about $5,000 on an $800 account. And I'm going to be showing you guys. Good. So don't get me wrong, July was still one of my most profitable months, but I fell short on hitting that my target by a couple of tens of thousands, right? So anyway, since it was still one of my most profitable months, I didn't hit my target and I had to be disciplined and I had to cut my hair. So that's why you see my hair is gone and I'm back to looking like a 17-year-old boy or an 18-year-old boy, even though I'm in my 30s. Good. Let's go back to our video. So let me just make sure my recording is on again and we're going to start recording again. Good. So I deposited this account. Let's check the time. We're just going to scroll up. This account, I deposited this at 8 a.m. South African time. That's when I got to the office. 8 a.m. South African time. You can see this was almost about 12:02 South African time. All right, 12 noon. And then first trade I took on this account was actually a loss. Let me make sure all of this is on. First trade on this account was actually a loss. I lost $100. Second trade on the account was a loss, which was still $100. And then after that, all the rest, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, this is almost about 25 other trades were all winners. So this is a win rate of almost about 98%, right? All of them, they were all winners. And this is what I did. When I deposited this money, I started on the 4-hour time frame. I've been watching this for almost about, the market is crazy, guys. I wish I was still on the trade because you can see this is all buy. But this is trading. Once you've already gone out of a trade, this is another lesson for you guys to take home. When you're already out of a trade, don't start being greedy. Don't say, I wish I was still in this particular trade. I would have been making this amount of money. I wish, because see, this is where I got out of the trade. This is my history right here. But look at where the market is. I would have been standing on around $15,000 on this particular account. But from an $800 account and $5,000, I was done, bro. I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm very, very satisfied. So I'm not going to beat myself up. I'm not going to be greedy. That's something. Greed is going to kill you when it comes to Forex trading. All right. So guys, pay attention to that. Good. So now when I put that, the first thing I did was to go on the 4-hour time frame, which I'm not opening trades. I don't want to open. I need to withdraw everything from this part. I think we'll even withdraw live on camera. We'll withdraw on this account live on camera. So guys, stay to the end of the video so that we can withdraw all these profits live on camera. Good. So on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can already see where we got into this. I'm just going to quickly scroll to the end, and you can see this pullback we got somewhere here. I already showed you guys this strategy of being able to easily identify the trend. You can just identify the trend by using the market structure or by using simple moving averages. If you can use these two moving average, the 10 and the 23 exponential moving average, there's already a video. I'll leave the link of that video above so that I can watch the video to see how you can set your charts like this. So just using those two exponential moving averages, you can confirm the market was in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. All right, 1-hour time frame, it was still the same thing. Even if you step down to the 1-hour time frame, this is where we got in. It was still in a confirmed uptrend. So this pullback is something that happens overnight. Was sleeping, got up in the morning, I saw this pullback, but the trend was still confirming. It was still an uptrend. I was like, damn it, good. I'm only going to be compounding on this trend and I'm going to make a lot of money. That's where I went to my 5-minute time frame, boom, and this was where we started compounding. You can see the first trades we opened. Look at this area, guys. The first trade we opened, these were the first two trades. You can see those are the two lines. The first two trades were actually losers because of this spike. So these spikes are going to happen in the market every time, or every single day you're going to have spikes like this. So you just need to be ready. So this spike almost took me out of the trade, and then immediately I came back. I started here again. I was still very, very confident on this trend. So I added a couple of trades somewhere here, and you can see we exited here with almost about $3,000. You can see these are the trades I added from 1445 right up to let's just go here, right up to 1542. All right, 1542. That's exactly 1 hour, and we made almost about $3,000. Good. The trend was still very, very strong. Immediately after that, the market pushed back up, and as it was going, I was just crying on the back end. And as I said, guys, don't be greedy. If you're already out of the trade, don't worry. If you're already out, you don't need to beat up yourself. So I was just saying to myself that this is totally fine. I'm just going to wait for the market to breathe in again, and boom, I'll pump other trades. And exactly this is what happened, all right? This is what happened right here. The market breathed in a little bit, and as soon as the market breathed in a little bit right here, boom, I pumped in a couple of trades again here, and this one took my account from $3,000 to $5,000. So what was I doing? This is more like just scalping. And how do you do scalping sometimes? You need to be very, very prepared. Because this small account, I was ready to let the small account go. It's not like those small accounts where you start saying, no, deposit risk 1% per trade or 2% per trade. No, this is the all or nothing account. I used to call it the all or nothing account, where I deposit money into the account. And I just said to myself that, okay, I'm just going to try to scalp this small account to a reasonable amount, maybe 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 25,000, or maybe 500 to 5,000. And as soon as I get to that target, I'll just withdraw everything. Meaning, even if I try and it doesn't go and I lost that $500, I wouldn't even mind, because tomorrow I'll come back again and I'll still try. Even if I come back tomorrow and I still lost $500, I wouldn't even mind. I'll come back again another day and I'll still try the same thing. And the one that succeeds, trust me, I'll be able to make $5,000. Even if I make $5,000 and I've lost $1,000, at the end of the day, I'm up with plus $4,000. Do you see this? So this is the kind of setup we call the all or nothing setup, or the all or nothing strategy, where you get in with everything and you're like, okay, damn it, I'm just going to risk this small account. And the small account we are talking about here is actually this $800 account. It's like, I'm just going to risk this $800 account. If the market, if the trend, if that uptrend doesn't hold, because fundamentally, there was still a very big fundamental that was telling me gold was going to be buying, because there's a big fundamental that is telling me the United States dollar is very, very weakening. Since the United States dollar is very, very weakening and gold is SAU USD, I was expecting gold to be going up. While any other currency pair that has USD as a first currency, like USD JPY, I expected it to be shooting down. That's it. That's just what happened. So fundamentally, I was still ready on this particular trade, and that was why I had the trade for that longer period of time or for that period of time, and I'm already out. So if I was still actually trading live, maybe I would have waited for this pullback to be able to produce the first bullish signal, and I enter again with buy trades because I'm still in an uptrend. The 4-hour time frame is telling me the market is buying. 1-hour time frame is telling me it's buying. 30 minutes telling me it's buying. Even on the 5 minutes telling me it's buying. So this is just a pullback in the market. And I would have just done this. You can see I just opened another trade. I would have just opened a couple of other trades. Let's watch and see, guys. This is what I used to do. I can already see the market is getting to the level where I used to add a couple of trades. So let's just add a couple of trades. Maybe we're going to add a couple of hundreds of dollars to this our account. Let's just add a couple of trades and see. Let's just add a couple of trades and see. And I'll keep you guys posted. Let's see. I'm down by $100. I've seen this over and over and over. That's why I'm very, very confident. And I know that after this pullback, getting back to this zone right here, you can see this consolidation zone. I'm expecting the market to rally from here because we are still in a bullish bias. So let's just hold and see. If we can make just about $500, I'm just going to close. And that will be now $5,500. And it will be that I just made $500 while recording this video. So let's hold and see, guys. Let's hold and see. The market is actually pushing down. I can be able to add a couple of trades because the market hasn't gotten out of that particular range. As soon as it gets out of the range, I'll be able to close. Maybe I'll lose about $300. But if it goes out of this range, I'll make almost about $600. So let's wait and see. I'm down by almost about $700. Let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I'm going to keep you guys posted after about 5 minutes. Let's see.
5 minutes later.
Good. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that, guys? 4 minutes later, not even up to 2 minutes later, and can you guys see that? I'm going to be closing. Remember, I just wanted about $500, and that's almost about $3,000. We're going to be closing, guys. Bulk operation, and boom. Boom. That's it, guys. That's it. I had to take off my lenses because I was like, this train is not holding the way I wanted. That's why I had to take off my glasses because I was like, this train is trying to play games with me. And you can see, that's why I got in somewhere there. I'm still on the bullish trend, all right? I'm still on the bullish trend. I just got in there. Remember, I told you guys I just needed about $500 to $800. And see, boom, we just made again. David, guys, when you do this after some time, it doesn't feel like work anymore because you've seen the same setups over and over. You've seen the same. 9 years of trading is not 9 days, all right? I've seen these same setups over and over and over. I just showed you guys. I did it live on camera. Remember, I even had to take off my glasses. I was like, I'm going to see if this trend is going to disappoint me. I've seen this same trend over and over. So is it going to disappoint me? Let's see. And behold, that's it. That's just about 30 pips. Boom, from year to year, 30 pips. I'm already done. That's it. I'm standing down on almost about $8,000. $8,000 from what? $8,000 from 800 deposit. That's 1,000% gain. 1,000% gain. $8,000 from 8. Look, let's just go here, guys. Let's go on today. That's a deposit of $800, and we are standing down on almost about $8,000. I think the next part of this video, let's just see if we can, let's withdraw live, guys. Let's just withdraw this live. I'm going to log into this account because people say, no, with your demo account, blah, blah, blah. This is a live account. I showed you guys already at the beginning. You can scroll down and look. Do whatsoever you want. So let's withdraw this money from this account. Let's withdraw this money from this account live on camera. And if you believe it's a demo account, then go and withdraw from your own demo account, guys. Go and withdraw from your demo account so that we will know if it was a demo account or not. You can see, boom, I'm still there. The trend is still very strong, but I'm already out of the trade. I'm already out. I'm just quickly logging into my account so that we can withdraw live on camera for all the Thomases to see. Let me make sure my recording on the computer is on. Good. I'm just putting my recording on my computer on so that we can withdraw live on camera for you guys to see. Live, 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 live. Okay, good. Start recording. Good, start recording. You can see these are all my accounts. Let's just quickly go on accounts and trading history. This is my trading history. Let's just go for last day and export. No, we're not exporting, guys. Let's just quickly go on accounts. We go on live accounts, and This live account ends on 65. So I want you guys to be able to see this one is 7032165. So let's just quickly check here and see. Okay, good. You can see here it says 7032165. So the balance here is still 5,088 because remember we just traded on this account a few minutes ago and the balance hasn't updated yet. You can see these are my balance, these are my live accounts, and this is actually the one I'm talking about. This is the balance right here, 5,088, because the 2,000 or the $3,000 we just made a few minutes ago hasn't actually updated, right? So we're just gonna wait a couple of minutes for I want to withdraw everything. I want to withdraw everything, so I'm just gonna wait a couple of minutes for the balance to reflect here and we'll withdraw live on camera. So let's give it again a couple of minutes. So as you guys can see, I keep refreshing and checking and the balance hasn't updated yet. So sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes for your history to actually update so that you can see the current balance. So let's give it again. This is 1618. So at 1623, I'm going to be checking again. After 5 minutes, we're going to refresh again and see, because I want to withdraw all the $8,000 or I want to withdraw all the $7,800, right? That's how I used to do. Just deposit a small amount. If I get to this, I withdraw everything. Always have the habit of paying yourself, all right? So let's give a couple of minutes again. We're going to refresh and we check. So I kept refreshing and checking. This is 4 minutes. I'm not patient, guys. I'm not patient when it comes to paying myself. I'm not patient when it comes to withdrawing my profit. So I just refresh again. Let's refresh again together and see. See, the balance is not yet updated. The balance is still not updated. If you can see on the account, the balance on the account is $7,800 and the balance here on the computer is $5,088, meaning it hasn't updated. Remember, this was the balance before we took the trades we took on live. So we need to wait until the whole balance. This is my dashboard on my broker, right, on IC Market. And if you want to use my recommended broker, check the link on the video description to sign up with the best broker. I'm going to withdraw right here in front of you guys so that you guys can see. And by tomorrow same time, I'll already get an alert on my bank telling me the money is already on my bank account. All right, so as easy as that. I'm going to show you guys live on camera how you can easily withdraw from your trading account. So let's see. Let's wait. I'm just waiting for the balance to update. Perfect. Can you guys see that? So now let's put back our recording on the phone and we finish the video. We conclude with the video, right? Let me just make sure my recording is on. And voila. So you can see the balance on my phone. It says 7,840.35. Can you see the balance here? 7,840.35. All right. So it means our balance is already updated. And if I can go here, you scroll down, you can see that's the same account, 7032165. This is 7032165. So let me just quickly go here and then we're going to withdraw everything because we started this account from $800 to $8,000 within 3 hours or within a day. So let's withdraw. We just go on withdraw. It's easy as that. We click on withdraw. I want us to do this together. So that's withdraw. I'm just going to go here. I choose bank account. So bank account, local free. I can either use bank account or wire transfer or even PayPal. You can still go with PayPal. But I want bank transfer. Then you can see these are all the accounts I have, right? We're just going to go straight. I have almost about 8 different live accounts. You can see some with 30,000, 40,000, 38, 92. So let's just withdraw the one that concerns us, right? Which is this one that ends with 7,840. That's the account. Bank account is already there. I'm going to withdraw everything. 7,840. I'm withdrawing everything. So that's it. Then I click on submit. Let's go. Click on submit. They're going to send me an email to my phone for confirmation. All right, let's just wait and see. Voila, you can see on my screen, thanks for submitting your withdrawal request. We have sent you an email to confirm your transaction. So I'm just going to quickly go on my email, refresh my email, and it should be there. Okay, let's just go on all emails. And let's just wait a couple of minutes, guys. I can't see it right now. Let's check even on the spam folder to see. Okay, you can see this is it right here. This is it right here. I don't know if it was on inbox or maybe it was on spam, but yeah, this is it right here. IC market withdrawal request confirmations. I'll just click on it, come down. You can see for you guys, you see a withdrawal request from your trading account. Check this trading account and confirm with this. That's the same trading account. All right. People say, no, you're doing demo, you're doing fake. Bro, there are levels to this, and you better learn or keep making noise. Good. So that's the same account. A withdrawal request of your trading account this has been received. To ensure security of your funds, please confirm below 7,840. That's the same amount I did. You can see a withdrawal request ID is right there, time is there. I'm just going to click here to confirm. It's going to take me back to the website, and that's it. That's it. I'm already logged into the website and it should already be there. So let's just wait and see. Voila, that's it. That's how you submit a withdrawal. If I come right down here, let me just quickly come right down. You can see this is the amount right here. All right. See, just within the month of July alone, see how many withdrawals I made. Confirm, 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 complete, complete, complete. But this is the one that actually concerns us, right? Which is this one of 7,800. You can see processing. So in less than 2 hours, it's going to be confirmed. The money will be sent to my bank account. And let me just check on my history to see if the withdrawal we just made is already reflected on my history. Okay, until they process it before it's going to reflect on my history on my phone. But that's it, guys. You can see the withdrawal is processing. And but tomorrow, by the time I'm uploading the video, if the withdrawal has already hit my bank account, then you should expect the screenshot to be here. So if you see any screenshot to be here by tomorrow, or by the time I'm uploading the video tomorrow, it means it already hits my bank account, and I'm just showing you guys proof that the money came to my bank account. That's $8,000 from $800, and I wanted to show you guys, and I did it live with you guys. So there are levels when it comes to trading, and if you want to trade with the best, if you want to trade with the best when it comes to the game, if you want to trade with someone who is having 9 years of experience and knows what he's doing, then check the link below to enroll in Godlove University. Godlove University is an institution, a Forex academy which I formed, which should take you from A to Z when it comes to Forex trading. And as we're recording the video, you kept seeing those notifications coming in from a robot. That robot was called Perps Pro, and it was printing money even as we're recording the videos. So if you want to trade with that particular robot, which is called Perps Pro, and then also check the link below to use the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot as we speak. You can use it on your private account, and you can use it to pass any prop firm challenge. Check the link below to use my recommended brokers that will be able to pay you out like this, or the recommended prop firms that will also be able to pay you out. Check out this video, which was the first video I did explaining why I had to cut my hair, because there was a target I made that if I don't hit that target in July, I was going to cut my hair. So check this video to see why I cut my hair. Check this playlist to check other videos that are programmed for you. Click here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.